Hello and welcome. This is Nasim from nasimrel.com, and in this video I am going to show you how you can make a complete free e-commerce website using Blogger. Blogger is completely free and it's made by Google, so you are going to making your own free e-commerce website using Google. So no more talks, let's go. First of all, you have to go blogger.com, and if you don't have any Blogger website in previous, then you will see this kind of window, and what you have to do, just hit the button which is create blog, and then in your email address and input your password, and then click the next. After that, your website is going to prepare. I just want to, so it's very new, so that's why it's showing this kind of interface. And here is the window. So how you can like choose a name of your blogger. So I'm going to make a my first e-commerce store, so that's why I want to choose a name which is my shop tx. Okay, so my shop tx, and then next. So address, I am going to use the same name, my shop tx.blogspot.com, and this is available. So if you input the name that is not available, then you can add or you can remove one character from your word. Okay, and then hit the next, and the display name my shop tx. Okay, and then finish. So it's processing, and this is our website. And if I want to show the website is current look, so this is the current look of our website, and this is myshoptx.blogspot.com. Okay, so myshop.com.blogspot.com, and here is the theme section, and you will see there is no e-commerce theme available on their template zone. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to add the third-party template in our blogger. Okay, so for this, just go to new tab and search e-commerce blogger template. Okay, so open this blogger template, like anywhere. Good heavy templates. You can see a lot of free templates are related to e-commerce are available here, so you can pick anyone. For example, I want to pick this one. Okay, close it. So if you want, you can see the live preview of this. So it's loading. Yes, this will be look website, and just think it's free. So I just want to mention one thing, you can use the free version or you can use the you can premium version, but I don't want to buy this theme because the tutorial. So if you want, you can buy this theme, or I'm just going to download this free template. Okay, so when I downloaded this theme, I'm going to so it will be the zip file, just we need to unzip this file. Okay, so here you can see a bunch of file available here. What we have to do, we have to find the XML file. Okay, this file we need to upload on our theme section. So again, go back to blogger dashboard and go to theme, and then click on this theme, and then backup, restore. Okay, and then when you click on restore, you just need to upload the theme, and if you want, you can backup this current version. Okay, so where is the theme? Detour Shora shop, just hit and open, and you can see restoring theme. So it's actually will take few seconds to upload this complete HTML file on Blogger. So we are waiting for that, and here you can see it's done, but here it's showing theme preview is currently unavailable. Why this? Because we are using the third party theme, that's why it's not previewing here. But no worries, let's look of our current website. Yes, where it is. So this is the, let's see the look of the demo, and this is our my website. So our website is looking nothing because of we didn't publish any product here. So when we will publish few product, we will see the look like this. And if we collect product page and at cart, the view cart, checkout, all are available on will be on that page, and this read more button, and if I hit the checkout button, we will see this page. So this is the complete free e-commerce theme. Actually you can use it if you don't want to buy any website, and if you are complete beginner and you want to test and you want to learn something, then you can use this blogger website, and you can use this free template. I hope this will be useful to you. But if you want to run your e-commerce business, always I do prefer, please buy a premium domain name and please buy a premium theme, and you can use the other platform like Shopify, WordPress, because this is not a professional way to make a e-commerce website. If you need any help to build your business like e-commerce, you can visit nasim.cc/meeting and you can book my consultancy, and I will help you how you can make your website. Even if you need any help to make your blogger website, I have more than 6 years of experience on that, so I will help you. So I hope this video was useful to you, and in the next video I will discuss how you can upload the video and how you can connect your website to Facebook pixels or another tracking platform, and how you can do marketing, whatever. So it's related to marketing. So if you want to really learn about that, you can definitely do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next video. Till then, bye, have a good day.